Adobe Firefly for Video Editing, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to your ultimate guide to video editing with Adobe Firefly, where artificial intelligence meets creativity to revolutionize your workflow. Let's dive in. Accessing Adobe Firefly. First, open your web browser and go to firefly.adobe.com. Sign in with your Adobe ID. No dedicated mobile app is available yet, but you can access Firefly on smartphones via Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once logged in, you'll see two key video tools: text to video and image to video. These are your gateways to AI-powered video generation. Generating videos from text, text to video. To generate videos from text, start by selecting the text to video option, which allows you to create video clips from scratch based on your written description. In the prompt box, craft a detailed scene using a structured formula to guide your input. Begin by specifying the shot type, such as a close-up with a slow zoom in, to define how the camera frames and moves through the scene. Next, describe the character, for instance, a polar bear with bright white fur, to establish the main subject. Follow this with the action, like walking softly on ice, which tells the system what the character is doing. Then, set the location, such as a barren, snowy landscape, to provide environmental context. Finally, include the desired aesthetic, such as cinematic, shallow depth of field, to influence the overall visual style and mood of the video. This detailed approach ensures the AI generates a vivid and cohesive visual sequence that aligns with your creative vision. Keep prompts under 175 words. Then, tweak settings like aspect ratio, 16:9 or 9:16, and camera motion, zoom, pan, handheld. Hit generate, and Firefly will produce a 5-second, 1080p clip. Not satisfied? Refine your prompt and try again. Animating still images, image to video. With image to video, you can bring photos to life. Upload a keyframe image, say a mountain landscape. Optionally, add a second image to define the end of the animation. Choose camera motions like zoom in or pan left, or let Firefly auto-generate movement if you upload 2 keyframes. Add a text prompt to guide the transition, e.g., sunrise over peaks with fog rolling in. Click Generate, and watch your static image transform into a dynamic clip. Generative Fill. This powerful tool allows you to add, replace, or remove objects within an image using text prompts. For example, you could select an area in a photo and prompt Firefly to add a hat to a person or remove an unwanted object from the background. While not directly available for video in Firefly yet, Adobe has previewed Project Fast Fill, which aims to bring similar object manipulation capabilities to video editing in the future, potentially integrating with software like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. In the meantime, some users might explore workflows involving generating image sequences with generative fill and then compiling them into a video using separate video editing software. After editing, reassemble the modified frames back into a video using Adobe Premiere Pro to maintain seamless playback. Generative Expand. This feature enables you to extend the canvas of an image and fill the newly added areas with AI-generated content that seamlessly blends with the existing image. Imagine a landscape photo that's cropped too tightly. Generative Expand could add more sky or ground to create a wider view. Similar to Generative Fill, this is primarily an image editing feature in Firefly. However, some creative users have experimented with extracting video frames, expanding them in Photoshop, beta with Firefly, and then reassembling the video. Premiere Pro also offers a Generative Extend feature in its beta version, which focuses on extending the duration of video clips by generating new frames at the beginning or end, rather than expanding the frame content itself. This is especially useful for smoothing out transitions or lengthening shots without reshooting. Creating depth and backgrounds. Although Firefly doesn't include a dedicated depth slider, you can effectively simulate depth and dimensionality in your videos with a few creative techniques. Start by crafting detailed prompts that imply perspective, such as an aerial drone shot over a forest, which naturally introduces a sense of 3D space. For custom backgrounds, use Firefly's text-to-image feature to generate high-quality visuals, Then composite these backgrounds into your video using Adobe Premiere Pro for a seamless look. To further enhance realism, consider adding motion blur or fog overlays during post-production. These subtle effects can significantly boost the sense of depth and atmosphere in your scenes. Adobe Firefly is reshaping video editing, making it faster, more intuitive, and endlessly creative. Start experimenting today and unlock the power of AI for your projects. For more tutorials, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.